Welcome back everyone. My name is Ermias and in today's video we are going to learn nested routes in Next.js 14. In our previous lecture we have been demonstrating how basic routes work in Next.js 14. For that we have been creating three basic routes: outer, post, and comments. To create these routes, we create the outer, post, and comment directories under the app directory. In this video, we are going to expand the demo blog application a bit further. For this, we create the settings and analysis folder under the dashboard folder. As a result, we create a /dashboard/setting and a /dashboard/analysis nested routes. So go to Visual Studio Code, create a new folder under the app directory and name it dashboard. Under the dashboard folder, create a new page.tsx file. In this file, type RAFSE to generate a React component snippet. Rename the component as dashboard and add h1 element with dashboard page text in it to indicate that it is a dashboard page. Now let's return back to the browser and type /dashboard. Here we get the dashboard page. So next, we are going to create the settings and analysis folder within the dashboard folder in a nested fashion to create our nested routes. Go to Visual Studio Code, create a new folder called Settings under the dashboard folder. In this folder, create a new page.tsx file. Type RAFSE to generate a default React component snippet. Rename the component as settings. Return h1 element with settings page text in it. Back to your browser and type /dashboard/settings. Here we have the setting page. That is how we create a nested routes in Next.js 14. Now let's have more routes for /dashboard/analysis to practice a bit more. For this, return back to Visual Studio Code and create a new folder called Analysis right under the dashboard folder. Create a new page.tsx file in it. Type RAFSE to generate a React component snippet. rename the component as analysis, and return h1 element with analysis page text in it. Save your file and return back to the browser. Type /dashboard/analysis. Here we get our analysis page. This makes it for today's video. I think you find this video helpful, and in the next video we will dive more into routing. Till then, have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.